welcome to my video. In this video I am going to share how you can change the default language in OmniSend. Find your account name and click the account name, and there are many options. It is very simple. Go to the store setting option, scroll down, and then you will click the language and translation, and here you can select your desired language from the drop down menu. If you want to make a change in a sentence by typing it manually, you can also do that. Thank you for my watching videos. If you have any question, please comment to me. I will surely reply for you.